Greasy mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland is going to show you how to make a Korean classic, Kimchi Fried Rice. This dish is not just a meal, it's an experience, blending the tangy zest of kimchi with the hearty goodness of pork belly, all wrapped up in a bed of flavorful rice. So, are you ready to bring this sizzling dish to your dinner table yet? Let's roll into the kitchen and get your pans ready. First thing first, let's prep our key players. Mince 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, and a scallion. These aromatics are the backbone of flavor. Make sure to separate the white and the green parts of the scallion. Remember, this is the only kind of color segregation we support. Next, chop 1 cup of kimchi into bite-sized pieces to ensure every forkful is a burst of flavor. Cut some pork belly into similar bite-sized pieces. Trust me, this will add a mouth-watering richness to your dish. Now, onto the rice, the canvas of a culinary masterpiece. Take 2 cups of day-old rice. Yes, day-old rice works best with fried rice, always. And crack 2 eggs into it. Give it a good mix until each grain is coated with eggy goodness. Heat some oil in a pan over high heat. Throw in the garlic, onion, and the white part of scallion and saute them for 1 or 2 minutes. You want them fragrant, announcing their presence. Then add your bacon or pork belly and let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. The aroma should be starting to make your mouth water by now. Next, in goes the kimchi and its juice, along with a teaspoon of sugar. Stir fry everything for about 2 minutes and let the flavors add the eggy rice to the pan. Stir fry evenly, letting each grain soak up the flavors and become firm. Now, the grand seasoning ceremony. 2 teaspoons each of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and gojuchang. Also, don't forget 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for that seductive fragrance. Mix and stir fry everything until each rice grain stands apart in glorious separation. Finally, sprinkle the green part of the scallion in there and mix everything in the pan for another minute and your kimchi should be ready. Once it's done, take your masterpiece off the heat. Sprinkle some seaweed on top for that final touch of oceanic flair. And voila! There you have it, your very own kimchi fried rice. It's ready to take the center at your dining table. It's a dish that's simple yet spectacular, comforting yet exciting. Now, before you dig into this delightful creation of your own, do us a favor, hit the like and subscribe button for more culinary adventures. And now, all that's left is, and with that, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in!